Product research is one of the hardest tasks that you need to do in launching Amazon FBA business. Since product is the life and blood of the business, you need to look for the golden product using the best criteria out there. So for today's video, we're going to talk about the best criteria that you need to know before diving into the business. Let's go. Now, before we head on to those criteria, I just want you to know that these two are the best tools to use on Amazon product research. So one of them is AMZ Scout and Jungle Scout, and there are actually a lot of tools that you can use. However, these two are actually the best and you can use them hand in hand. Alright, so let's begin with the criteria. Reviews. To the judge of the competition, you must make sure that out of the 10 sellers of the product, 7 out of them must have at least 100 reviews or less. And then any seller that has over 1,000 reviews is very hard to compete with. Alright, so we don't wanna have that big competition, because most probably all the customers are going to buy on that top seller with 1,000 reviews. So going to the next one, it's sales. Revenue should be consistent all throughout the year, and sales should be 250 to 500 items per month, and must meet a monthly sales goal. Alright, so because you're gonna have this monthly sales goal that you need to target in order to have enough profit and to have enough money. Third one is actually your revenue. The revenue should be around 6,000 to 15,000 per month. Alright, but I think 3,000 is also good. 3,000. Alright, it depends on you, but my target should be at least 6,000 per month at a minimum. And the next thing is the price. So the price should be $15 to $50, since that is the price where the tentative buying falls into. And also $15 should be the minimum, okay? Because any product which is below this will have very little profit after the Amazon fee has been deducted. And last but not the least, the product should not be seasonal. Avoid trendy products as well, and also it shouldn't be accessible in malls. Alright, so if you could remember, the fidget spinner, it's actually a trendy product, and a seasonal product, for example, is Christmas light. Alright, so let's go to the samples right here using Jungle Scout Pro. Alright, so there you go. Let's try to actually analyze this one. So the price, okay, as you can see right here, Amazon Scout Pro already gave the average pricing. Okay, that's good. And average sales. Okay, good. Okay, it falls into the category of 250 to 500 sales per month. And let's go to the reviews. As you can see right here, reviews, the average reviews is 119. Okay, and we're gonna count right here if 7 out of them have this below 100 reviews. So 51, that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so alright, that's only 5. Alright, but the good thing about right here is that you could actually consider going into this niche, and what you could do is just simply check the reviews on these items and see if you can improve something right there that the customer are asking for. Alright, let's go to the second one. Okay, so this is going to be a gardening tool. Alright, so okay, it's actually a special gardening tool. Alright, so let's go. $15 is the average pricing, and the average monthly sales is 490. Okay, that's good. And the average reviews is 597. Okay, let's try to count the numbers of reviews right here, which falls into our criteria. Okay, so 1, 2. We only have 2. Okay, and the sales are pretty much distributed actually on all of the sellers. Alright, that's good already. might go into this niche, but you need to really analyze other things and to see if you can improve something on this product. All right, so that's all about it. And for the next video, we're going to check out something on AMZ Scout. All right.